Hello everyone, welcome to CharlesSir's tutorials once again. Today we are going to study and learn multiplication of any number close to any base, that is 100, 1000, 10,000 and even higher numbers. Now in one of my previous videos I had taken this, but I couldn't take it in a lengthy manner. I could take only with 100. Now today I want to take with 1000 and 10,000. So let us see the first question. Number 1, 91 multiplied by 93. 91 multiplied by 93. Now if you see, both these numbers are close to base 100 here, and 100 has two zeros. Now these two zeros have a lot of significance. Now as we come and see over here, we first of all see how far is 91 from 100. So 91 minus 100 is minus 9. How far is 93 from 100? Minus 7. So 9 and 7, they are known as deviations. And these deviations have to be multiplied together to get the second part of the answer. The first part of the answer will be LHS, left hand side, to my left hand side, and the right hand side will be RHS, will be the multiplication, the product of 9 and 7. Right. Now what we do is, either you can subtract here to here. Now if it's a negative number, or if the number is smaller than the base, you subtract that number. And if it is greater, then you add that number. The greater one I'll be taking next time. So 91 minus 7, that will be 84. Or 93 minus 9 also will be 84. Either both the ways you will get 84. This is the LHS and the first part of the answer. And as I told you, the RHS will be 9 multiplied by 7, and finally we get the answer 8463 will be your final answer. 8463. Now let us begin with question number 2. And question number 2 is 88 multiplied by 87. Both these numbers are very close to the base 100. Alright? Now first of all, let us see the deviations. How far is 88 from 100? So 88 minus 100 will be minus 12. 88 plus 12 is 100. And the same thing with 87. 87 is 13, far from 100. So 12 and 13 are the two deviations. Remember, these two have to be multiplied to get the RHS, right hand side. Now the first part is 88 minus 13, which will be 75. Or you can take this part, 87 minus 12, which also will be 75. And this is the LHS. Now the RHS will be 12 multiplied by 13 will be 156. 156. Now be careful over here. Why? Because if you use a base has how many two zeros? 2 zeros. And digits over here are 3. So in the second part, that is the RHS, there should be 2 digits. So 56 should be there. Therefore what we do is, this one we'll bring over here and add it up. And finally the answer will be 75 plus 1, 76 and 56. This is your final answer, 7656. Alright, let us take the third question. The third question is 992 multiplied by 989. Again, a 3-digit number. Now the base over here will be how much? Since there are 3 digits, the base will be 1000 or 3 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 digits. Right? So they are close to 1000. So what is the first step? We find the deviation of 992. And the deviation will be 8. And over here the deviation will be 11. Right? Now as you know, you have to multiply both the deviations together. That I will not do. Now we have understood that. So draw a partition over here. 992 minus 11. So first you can subtract 10. 982 and minus 1. 981. 981, or you can minus this. You can also get this 981. 989 minus 8. 981. And the second part, this is the LHS. And the second part will be 88. 8 11s are 88. But if you see over here, the second part, which is the RHS, it should contain how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Why? Because 1000 has 3 zeros. Therefore, in the final answer, we have to add a 0 over here. So, LHS will be the same. And 088. This is your final answer. The next question, question number 4, 993 multiplied by 981. 993 multiplied by 981. The same trick and technique, you find the deviation. Both the digits are near 1000. So 993 is far away from 1000 by minus 7, and this will be 19. Don't worry about the numbers being less or more. You can always do the calculations. Right. Now what we do is, in this case over here, 993 minus 19, you can either subtract 20 and then minus 1 later on. Because 20 is more than 1 over here. Or what we'll do, we'll do the shorter part over here. This and this. So, 11 minus 7, 4, 974. If you do this way also, it will be 974. And the second part will be, the RHS will be 19 multiplied by 7. 7 nines are 63. 3, 6 carry, 133. Okay? And now if you see the third part, or the second part rather, 133. It should have 1, 2, 3 digits. It has 3 digits, so there is no problem. So we can copy the number as it is. 974 133 is your final answer. Alright. And finally we get the last question. The last question, that is the fifth question. 9988 multiply by 999 I am taking just random numbers. You can also take random numbers and keep up your practice on your own. Alright. Now, what should be the base over here? There are 4 digits. So, the base should be in 4 zeros or 10,000. Okay? Right? The base is 10,000 because there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So, these numbers are close to 10,000. Now, what is the deviation for the first one? Minus 12. And this one, minus 9. Right? Okay. a partition. Right. Now 9988 minus 9. So how much do you get? You will get, you can subtract 10. So 9978 or 79. I've added 1 over there. You can multiply and see. And the same thing, you can do this over here. You get the same numbers. 9979. And the last part, the RHS. 12 nines are 108. Okay. Now you must be very careful of the RHS. That is the second part of the answer. The second part of the answer should contain an equal number of digits as are there in the base. The base has 4 zeros, so there should be 4 digits over here. But over here we see it has only 3 digits. So we must add 1 zero to the RHS. So the final answer which you will get is 99790108. This is your final answer when you multiply 9988 multiplied by 9991. So you must have seen how we have multiplied any number which are close to various bases, that is 100, 1000, 10,000, and even you can do further more questions. So the concept, the method is quite easy to understand, and you can work out these large numbers using these techniques. So keep up your learning, happy learning, and before that, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.